Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. First of all, open up the YouTube app. After opening the app, click on the library icon from the bottom bar. Then from here, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now from your accounts, tap on Settings. From the settings, click on Manage All History. It will take you to your Google account. Now from here, you can see the history. So tap on the delete button and you can choose any of the given options from here. Tap on delete all time and click to delete to confirm the deleting of history. After deleting the history of all time, as you can see, there's nothing left in activity. From the library page, you can see that this history list has no videos. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.